Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby.
Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Cassandra Marie. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to be reviewing the Soft Glam palette. Just came out maybe like 2.5, 3 weeks ago, maybe a month ago. And also reviewing Amazing highlighter. Like, this is what I've really been waiting for. OMG, this shit, it's beautiful. It's so gorgeous. So I will be reviewing that in this video. I really love Amra. I just always followed her. I love her style, super inspired by her. I'll post a couple pictures here and here and here and here and here of all the times that I copied her. She's just very inspirational to me. I don't get PR. I'm not on her PR list or anything like that. It's just a genuine love for this woman. Like, she's amazing. Her products are freaking amazing. This one, holy grail product. Like, you have to go get it. Go get it now. Once you're done watching this video, head to the store, okay? Because you need it in your life. I'm not even exaggerating. Like, best highlighter by far that I have seen. I bet you it's gonna be one of the best that we've seen in a very long time. If someone else can match it, or I'll be very surprised, to be honest, because it's the formula. It's magic. Like, I don't even know how else to describe it. I think it's magic. They had Norvina and Amra, whatever y'all did, magic, witchcraft, something, I don't know, but they did something. Anastasia, ABH, Amrezy, y'all did something here. Y'all did something amazing. And 2018, what a good year it's been. We're in April and we got all these amazing products. Like, I cannot even imagine what the rest of the year is gonna look like if this is just only 4 months in. Are you kidding me? Magic. Freaking magic. And I'm here for it. I'm loving it. And this highlighter has got me living. Look at this highlight. Girl. Whew. If you want to see how I got this makeup look,
Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand.
and if you want to see or hear me review these two products, then please keep watching.
Gazing far into the night. I raise my hand.
Forget, if you like this video, like, subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell so you'll be notified when I upload.
So here I'm taking Tatcha's water cream as my moisturizer, and I'm applying that all over my face. So I have really dry skin, and this product is perfect for anyone who has dehydrated skin. It's very soft, very silky, and it definitely hydrates your skin. Next, I'm going in with Farsali's Unicorn Essence Drops. These are also very hydrating. I love this product, you guys. You have to go get some. If you guys want to see a skincare routine, leave it down in the comments so I know, and then I will record one for you guys. Here I'm just taking the drops and rubbing them into my skin. Next, we're going to go on to primers. So I'm going to be using Benefit's Stay Flawless and Benefit's POREfessional. Both of these are matte primers, so you won't have any oil in your T-zone. Also, if you have larger pores, this primer will blend and blur out your pores so it won't show through your foundation. Here I'm taking MAC's Studio Fix Fluid in NW35 and my beauty blender with some Fix Plus, spraying that on there to dampen it and then blending out my foundation. Ladies, make sure to blend out all areas of your face, your forehead, by your ears, and your neck so you don't have any lines of demarcation. And once you're finished blending, you should get a little bit something that looks like this. Here I'm taking Maybelline's Fit Me Powder Foundation in 240. I'm a little bit paler these days. In Wisconsin, we still have snow, so I'm a little bit on the fair side. Now I'm going to take MAC's Painterly as our primer with a flat brush, and we're going to apply that all over our lids from our lid to our brow bone, just as our eyeshadow primer. Now from the Soft Glam palette, I'm going to be taking Burnt Orange and Orange Soda as our blending shade. So we're going to apply that first. So this is our transition color. You want to sweep it back and forth, windshield wiper motions, and blend it out. So I'm taking the color Glistening and applying that to the brow bone for a nice shimmer highlight. Here I'm taking the colors Rustic and Cypress Umber from the Soft Glam palette, and I am just shading that in the outer V of my eyes. Then I'm taking the shade Noor and I'm keeping that very small V in the outer shape of my eye. Next, we're going to be taking MAC's Prolongwear Concealer and we're going to be cutting our crease. So this is a little trick. You just put it on your eyelid, look up, and there's your outline. The shade was NW20 for that concealer, and then I'm taking Tempera and we're going to use that as our base color for the eyeshadow for our cut crease. Now for this part, you want to dab it on. You don't want to swipe because you don't want to move the concealer around. You just want to keep it concentrated. Next, I'm going in with Rose Pink and Sultry. These are two of my favorite colors in the palette. Using IT Cosmetics Gel Liner, we're going to line our waterline. e.l.f. Liquid Liner in Midnight for our winged liner. I start my wing liner from the middle and then I go into the corner of my eye and then I do my wing. It's more precise. And Kiss eyelashes in Flirty. These are my everyday eyelashes, guys. I love them. Here I'm taking IT Cosmetics Hello Lashes 5-in-1 Clinically Proven Mascara. This is great. I love the brush on it. As you can see here, that's what it looks like. Applying that to top and bottom lashes. Here I'm taking IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Concealer. I absolutely love this. I believe it's in the shade Light. Maybe it's medium. Anyways, it's a great concealer, very creamy, easy to blend. So I'm just applying that with a flat brush, and then I will blend it out shortly with a beauty blender and some MAC's Fix Plus. Also, another tip that has been working for me is I use a much smaller beauty blender for my under eye than the rest of my face. It seems to work and it gets in the inner corners really nicely. Here I'm taking IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores Powder, applying that underneath my eyes. Next, I'm going to be taking Beautiful Bronze LA Girl Concealer and contouring my nose with that. I'm just going to go down the sides of my nose, the bridge, and on the tip of my nose. Makes it look slimmer, and then I'm taking it on my cheeks and on my forehead as well. So I'm just blending this out with a stippling brush. A MAC 187 will work. I'm also taking a smaller fluffy brush to blend out my nose contour. I'm taking e.l.f.'s bronzing palette and just setting that with powder. I contour the crap out of my face, you guys, so I use like 3 products. You don't have to. It's up to you. It's optional, but this is what I do. Next, I'm taking Urban Decay's powder in medium, I believe, and also contouring my face. Moment we've all been waiting for, the Amrezy highlighter.
I'm so excited. Oh my god, I'm excited.
As you guys can see from my reaction here, I absolutely love it. Just one swipe literally made me glow. I didn't put any Fix Plus on, nothing else, just the highlighter itself, and it's absolutely beautiful. It has almost like a golden glow to it, but still it has like iridescent shimmers to it. I don't know, it's just perfect. I really love it. I definitely would give it a big thumbs up. I would give it a 10 out of 10. Honestly, like, I feel like you guys should go buy this, and it's affordable. It's only $28 for a highlighter that is pretty reasonably priced.
Oh my god. Go get this. You need it. Go get it. Not even playing. Like, I'm not on a PR list. I don't get any PR, nothing. Like, I bought this with my own fucking money. Go get this. You need it in your life. I need this in my life, and you need it in your life as well. This is a holy grail product. She did something right here. Like, this is magical. This is genius. Whatever formula they put in here, immaculate. It's perfection in a highlighter. My favorite highlighter forever. Are you kidding me? And I love Emra, oh my god. Girl, you smart. You brilliant. You smart and you brilliant. Girl, this, oh my fucking god, y'all, do you see this? Gosh. Dripping in highlight. Looking like a glazed donut for real. Do you see this? Oh my god, this highlighter brought the whole look together. Do you see that? Oh my god, I didn't even put on a lip yet. I'm tripping over this. Oh my god, like, oh, it's so fucking
Dun, 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 dun. I'm taking more IT Cosmetics products. This is Vitality Lip Blush in Je ne sais quoi. It's a lip primer. I forget what lip liner I used, but I'm also using Lip Flush in Pretty Woman by IT Cosmetics. Then I'm taking Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Lip in Milkshake, one of my favorites. And then this is MAC Mineralized Lip Gloss in Lapdog. Here's me trying to say it on camera. Here is the final product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and thank you so much for watching.
Hey guys, I don't think I have anything else to say except for I love you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.